So, let's start with unboxing. This is the main box, which is installed below the head unit. These special threaded holes are used to install the box in the car. Also, there are several connection cables. Additional USB cable. As a result, you will have two USB ports. The OEM one, which is usually located under the armrest or below the monitor, depending on the car, and the other one that can be used to connect USB drives, 3G dongles, and stuff like that. Also, an LVDS cable for connecting the box to the monitor, a power cable. The box is powered up from the monitor. All connections are plug and play. And finally, a GPS antenna with several screws. There is also a very useful connection diagram that shows how to connect everything. USB cable that was connected to the monitor is connected to this input. Let's call it number 1. Input number 2, which is the one closer to the GPS antenna, is used for connecting the additional USB cable, which you can place in the glove compartment. Let's connect everything and see how it works.